Hey everyone, welcome back to their channel. Today we're diving into the world of budget tech with review of gadget from Temu. With prices that seem too good to be true, we're asking a big question. Is cheap tech worth it? Let's find out. Next. First of all, what is Temu? If you aren't familiar, Temu is an online marketplace offering a massive range of products at incredibly low prices, including tech gadgets. Think phone accessories, AirPods, and smartwatches, you name it. But does affordable mean quality? That's what I will be testing today. First, I ordered this gadget once, right? Uh, and I started to unpack this product, right? It's pretty basic. Do not expect premium boxes or extra. And as an aspect from the design perspective, surprisingly decent for the price. For example, the earbuds look sleek, and the smartwatch and other products I ordered. Smartwatch also has a nice display. Okay. As for the AirPods, the sound quality not bad. I didn't expect the bass or noise cancellation, and for battery, it claims 4 hours, but I got about 3.5. Okay, for this AirPods. Okay, and as for the pros and cons, unbeatable prices and great for casual or backup use. Surprisingly decent build quality on some items, but as for cons, it's a hit or miss performance, limited durability, and basic instructions and support. Right? So Temu Tech is perfect for budget conscious buyers or students or anyone looking for low cost gadgets for occasional use. If you're expecting a high-end performance, this might not be your best bet. But if you need a quick, affordable fix, Temu delivers. Okay, so is cheap tech from Temu worth it? Well, it depends on your needs and expectations. For the price, it's hard to complain, but always do your research. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite budget tech find. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.